Hey everyone! Welcome to today's deep dive into the electrifying world of AI and machine learning competitions, especially catered to all you brilliant B.Tech students out there. I'm excited to share the thrills and challenges that await in this high-tech arena. So buckle up, because we are about to explore something truly fascinating. First off, let's talk about what these AI competitions actually involve. Imagine you and your team are given a complex problem. Say, developing an algorithm that can predict weather patterns or maybe even recognizing emotions from text. Sounds challenging, right? Well, it certainly is. But it's also incredibly rewarding. These contests push the boundaries of what AI can achieve and often lead to breakthrough innovations. Now, participating in these competitions isn't just about proving who's the best coder out there, though that's definitely a part of it. It's also about learning and growth. You'll encounter real-world problems that companies and even governments are trying to solve. This means that the solutions you develop could potentially impact millions of lives. How amazing is that? But how do you get started? Well, platforms like Kaggle, HackerRank, and even university-hosted events are great places to dive in. These platforms offer a variety of challenges that range in difficulty, so whether you're a beginner or